Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the Life is Good baseball cap. It really is a super chill and awesome baseball hat. It has the mountains, which I absolutely love. It's always good to be reminded about having a good adventure and enjoying life while outside. This gray color I love with my hair. It fits really good. The texture and everything of the baseball cap fits really well. One of the features I absolutely love is the adjustable strap. Sometimes when you adjust a strap, it sticks out, it looks funny, but this one, it actually goes inside of your hat when it adjusts. So I love that it fits your head super good, the color is awesome, and the fit is great. I definitely think you should check this Life is Good mountain baseball cap out, and that's my point of view.